Hi guys, it's Brownie from Manhattan, New York. So I'm coming to you guys with a mini haul. So I went to Marshall's and I picked up this Nasimide in this. Okay, it's from Valjean's Labs and it's the Restore Nasimide and Zing facial serum, and it's a really light pink. It's not coming up on camera. I have pink sheets, so I thought that it would show the color, and it was only $6.99, and it's such a big container. It's 1.83 FL ounce, and it was only $6.99. So that's really amazing, and it lasts 24 months. So that's really amazing. Then also from Marshall's, I found this cute Calvin Klein bra set for my daughter. You guys don't ask me any questions. I'm not even ready to talk about this yet. This is the first bra that I'm buying my daughter. I am not ready for this. This is the bralette from Calvin Klein, and I picked this up in the children's section. And it was only $6.99. Guys, I'm not ready to talk about this at all. So please don't ask me too much questions like, that's my little baby. She was in my womb. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, cool. Look at this. It's a free 8x8 photo book from Shutterfly. Cool. And this is the Gerber. You guys know I'm obsessed with Gerber. I love Gerber material because it's 100% cotton. So I picked this up 0 to 3 months, and it was $6.99, and it's 2 sleep and plays. So leave that butt. So that's for my newborn. Another thing for my newborn is, you guys know I'm having Michelangelo in the summertime. So crap, this is 6 to 9 months. That's cool because she can still wear this in the winter time. So this is 6 to 9 months, but it was on sale for $4.50 instead of $7.99. And I also picked this up from Marshall's. The brand is called Modern Baby. I love Modern Baby products as well. So, and it has a the handkerchief style bib instead of the regular bib, and it's so cute. So then also from Marshall's, I picked up this rosemary mint dish soap. I needed dish soap. It's a 32 FL, and it was only $5.99 for 32 FL. So that's so amazing because it's so damn soapy that I just like I don't know, since I'm pregnant, smells in the kitchen is not really good for me. So the rosemary mint will really help me to wash the dishes, because I've legit stayed out of the kitchen from being nauseous when I go in the kitchen. So yeah, this is the rosemary and mint dish soap. Then I went to Burlington and I picked up this bath bomb. It says it's from Bath Bomb Cosmetics on Fantasy Island, and this is the way it looks on the top. This bath bomb is from Ellen Tracy, and this was also 99 cents. No, but oh my gosh, no. So then I picked up also this down, and she sticks her nails and stuff. You guys know she's constantly licking her hands, so as we have there, the next thing she does is lick soap. So I don't want her to stick her nails in any of this, because when she tries to reach after something, her nails go into it, and I don't want her to eat in soap, because this is not healthy ingredients for a cat to ingest. So this is the 3-pack of bath bombs, and these say that they have bath care essential oils in it, and they're for all skin types. So that's a plus, because you guys know I have sensitive skin. It has the Prevent Bath Bomb, which is sweet almond macadamian. Has Replenish, which is argan wheat germ. And it has the Nourish, which is sea buckhorn and berry borage. And then I picked up these bath bombs. Oh, what's the brand of these? It just says 3 bath. Oh, by Beauty Spot. And this one was $3.99 for 3, and they're the same size as these bath bombs. They're the full-size bath bombs. And then I picked up the smaller bath bombs because I really like the smaller bath bombs as well. And this is a 6-pack, and it's by Air and Water, and it's the Revitalizing Bath Bombs. And it was $3.99 for 6 small ones. And it says, okay. So it has 2 rose cashmere, 2 lavender clouds, and 2 coconut limes. And it says it's animal cruelty free. So such a plus. Such a plus. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bath bombs for less than $10. So that's really good. 8, 4, 4, 8. Oh, for $10. 11 bath bombs for $10. Yeah, $10. So also I picked up this this rollerball, and it's by Vera Bradley. No, sit. Good girl. So this is by Vera Bradley, and this is the appleberry champagne rollerball, and it's 0.33 FL, which is the normal size of most rollerballs, and it was only $2.99. I've bought this before. I like the scent. Then I picked up this, from Marshall's as well. I picked up this body wash, and this is the Cotton Milk and Poppy body wash, and it was only $2.99 for the 21.9 FL. So that's super cool. And also from Burlington, I picked up this Knott's Berry Farm premium bite-sized strawberry shortbread cookies. I've been eating these since a kid. To be honest with you, I don't ever think that I'm ever gonna stop eating these cookies. So yeah, don't do this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel, stay updated on me and my life. Be blessed as I do the same. Again, this is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. Muah.